Unit 6 mixed review number 10. Simplify the expression below. So we are just needing to do PEMDAS. So PEMDAS order. We start with P parentheses. We have two sets of parentheses. So anytime you have more than one of a step, you start on the left. So we're going to do these parentheses right here first, which means we're doing 5/6 plus 5/12. So I'm going to go over to the side and do 5/6 plus 5/12. We need a common denominator, and luckily a 6 can become a 12 to match the 12 we've already got. So 12ths is what we're going for. 6 times 2 equals 12, so we do the same on the top. 5 times 2 is 10. Then we can go ahead and copy that 5/12ths over because we're not changing that denominator. And we add 10/12ths plus 5/12ths is 15/12ths. Now, I know that that's an improper fraction, but I'm not done with this problem. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that improper fraction. We don't worry about those improper fractions or simplifying until the very end of the problem. So go ahead and just replace your circle. We've got 15/12ths minus parentheses 7/12ths plus 1/6 parentheses. All right, my next step is going to be the other parentheses. So 7/12ths plus 1/6. So over to the side again. 7/12ths and 1/6. Again, a 6 can become a 12 to match the 12 we've already got. So times 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Copy that 7/12ths over. 7/12ths plus 2/12ths is going to be 9/12ths. And again, that'll simplify, but I'm not worried about that right now. I'm just going to replace my circle. So I've got 15/12ths minus 9/12ths. And now a super easy, this is actually a 4th grade level fraction question because our denominators are already the same. We've got 15/12ths minus 9/12ths, just like 15 dogs minus 9 dogs. Well, 15 minus 9 is 6, and our 12 is going to stay. Now I check, do I have an improper fraction? Nope, 6 is smaller than 12. Do I have, or can I simplify? In this case, yes, I can simplify. You could divide by 2, you could divide by 3, but if you go by 6, remember, the bigger the better. Bigger the number you can think of, the faster you're going to get done. Both of those will divide by 6. 6 divided by 6. 6 cookies, 6 people. They're each going to get 1. And 12 divided by 6 is 2. And so, correct answer is 1/2.